Check it out. I think Amanda and Vera are still sleeping. No, look who's up. Hi, sweetie. What?
She's got a big owie.
What is it?
Bug bite.
Oh, it's a bug bite?
Keeps itching it.
You can't itch it, okay, sweetie?
Daddy, I sleep.
Yeah, you slept. That's why it's a new day.
Vera, can you keep your head still so Mom can do your hair?
Alright, stand up. Mom needs to do your hair. Of the situation today is that I have a good shot at being #1 qualifier. I run on with a 1 first pass out, but it's probably not even gonna matter because there's a total of 8 dragsters here today. There's only 8 cars. That's an even 3 rounds, so no buys. Really doesn't matter for much of anything except for getting lane choice, I guess. But old man run on with a 5 after that first pass, and so hopefully he could be qualified like #2 or something. I'm sure all this will probably change after this next pass. Somebody else will probably get in between there anyways, but it'd be really nice if we could be #1, #2. Then we wouldn't be at least getting paired up until the final.
You made me swear I'd never forget. I made a vow I'd see you again. I will be back one day and find you there by the great big lake. I will be back one day and find you there by the great big lake.
Gonna eat. What's in there?
Hamburgers.
Are you hungry? And what'd you put on yours?
Cheese.
Cheese.
So Papa wants one. And who else?
And Papa and Vera are gonna have hamburgers. You want ketchup on yours too?
Yeah. And you too?
Does that tickle? You think that microphone is funny, don't you? Coming to get you.
Always, I remember you. Slow down, so I can follow you. fearless soul. Disarmed me by truth and broke my mold. Always I remember you. Slow down, try to tell the truth, and I know I'm just a coward when it comes to love. Disarmed by words like a no.
Well, another terrible light, so nothing new there. Can't seem to get that figured out this weekend. Decent grouping of lights in qualifying, but I just can't do it in eliminations for some reason. I don't know. It's a state of my head kind of thing. Something is not right. But I was able to do it right at the finish line today at least. I actually made up for it. Took 007 stripe. That was perfect. Her car fell off a little bit, so I was able to make up for it, I guess. Round 2.
Goodbye, my deeper child. Time to take down your barricades and follow your own path now. Always, I remember you. Slow down, try to tell the truth. Always, I can recall you. Can you slow down so I can follow you?
Finally, I put a pass together. That's actually something I can be a little bit proud of. I had the box set on kill, as you can tell, and ended up with a 005 stripe at the end. So very happy with how that went. Finally, I mean, I have been having just terrible runs, and have been somehow getting super lucky and making it all these rounds, and finally I can feel good about something. And with only 8 cars, there's only 3 rounds, we're going to the finals.
Change